Good morning, I'm Mary Ellen Yates. I am going to show you what I make for my protein shake that I make for breakfast every morning. This is good. I'm about 6 months postpartum, and this is great if you are postpartum as well because I add some collagen in it. And that I noticed a huge difference with the hair loss after the birth. Usually I lose a lot of hair, and I was losing a lot of hair, so I had to vacuum my floor every day. And then I started adding collagen to my morning shake, and it just went away, and it's normal, like a few pieces here and there, like normal. So I highly recommend it. I'm making 2 shakes. I'm making one for my husband as well. He had gastric sleeve surgery less than a year ago, and so this is also good for those two because of difficulties in absorbing vitamins sometimes after that surgery. Some people can deal with hair loss and skin issues and stuff, so the collagen is great for that too. But you don't have to add it, it's just up to you. This shake will make about 32 grams, be about 32 grams of protein. So let's get started. I have a Ninja bullet that I use so that I just make it in the cups and then we put on the lids and drink it. So it's super easy. So I make my own yogurt, but you can use plain yogurt that you get, probably like Greek yogurt that you get from the grocery store. That is good for gut health, because who doesn't need some better gut health and to feel better? So I usually put about a little under 100 mLs on my line, under my line. So you can see right about there. Both. Now I don't really measure, I just kind of guess based on the line so I can do it super quick. This is something I do every morning, so I don't want it to be too time consuming. Now this is my kefir milk. I ferment my kefir with kefir grains, and then I have this handy dandy lid that helps me pour it easily. So I fill it right under the 12 line, like right there. If you fill it over, there could be a chance, because the kefir is carbonated from fermentation, it can overflow when you undo the lid. So I try to do it right under 12. So I have my yogurt in, then I pour in my kefir. Okay, so I have my kefir, I have my yogurt, and now my collagen. We moved from Germany, so on Amazon DE, I got this collagen, and it's been working out really good. It has the type 1, 2, and 3, and it's made in Germany, so very good products. They're very strict with their regulations there for anything that you intake. So if you are living overseas, this is what I would recommend. But now that I'm in the States, I've had to find something new. And from my research, since we're on a 1-income household budget, I decided on the Orgain collagen peptide. So I'm going to be using this soon once my bag runs out. And this one has the type 1 and 3, which from what my research says are the most important ones to try to have in a collagen supplement. And it's grass-fed, pasture-raised. So that's what I'm doing for that. But I haven't started it yet. So in this bag, you would want to do 10 grams of collagen. So this is a 20-gram scoop, so I just do half and half. And I'm just estimating. And then we're using the Orgain Organic Protein Superfoods Protein Shake. A serving, according to this, is 2 scoops, but I just used 1 scoop. So it's going to have, so I'm going to be getting about 10.5 grams of protein from each scoop, and I just do 1 in each since I'm doing the collagen. Or you could do 2 scoops of this and just bypass the collagen. That works too. This I feel gives the flavor. We've tried a lot of protein powders, and this one we felt had the best flavor. And then this kind of acts as our supplement in the morning with the kefir and all the live probiotics, and then the all the electrolytes and minerals in this. This is what we kind of use for a vitamin for ourselves. Okay. And then I have a frozen bag of Kirkland brand strawberries. And I do 4 or 5, depending on how big the strawberries are. If they're small, I do 5. Otherwise, I do 4. Because again, I do not want it to overflow. And I just put on my lid. Open it a little cautiously, just in case. I don't know if you could hear the carbonation. And next one. See, hear it. You hear the carbonation. So the yogurt helps give it a creaminess. You don't have to put in the yogurt, but the yogurt is another strain of good bacteria that for gut health. So I like to do that, but you can just use kefir milk if that's all you want to do too. I just think it doesn't have as much of a richness to it, so that's why I like the yogurt as well, in addition to the health benefits. And then I just drink it. It's that easy. Try this out and let me know what you think.